Hey Jason, just a quick video. This is what I'm seeing for the first part of this to answer your question. If you create a new invoice, I'll send it to. So for you, this will be the marketplace, I guess, or it'll be the customer. I'm not sure which way you want to track it. And then I'd put in digital recorder, zero out the price. Obviously, you don't want it to be on there. And then save as draft. Are you sure it's zero? Save it as draft, and then up in this corner, just mark as sent. And because it's free, it'll be paid, and everything should be associated. So that should get you past the first part. The question will be who to invoice, or do you have a marketplace as a main account, and then your customer on that marketplace as a sub account, and track it that way. But let me know what you need next.